How to create a Google Sheet. Now there are many ways in order to create a Google Sheet. The basic thing is that we require to open the Google Sheet. Now the question is where Google Sheet is present. Since I'm using computer or I'm using a laptop, any web browser go to sheets.google.com. So I'm opening a new thing. I will be typing sheets.google.com. It will take some time in order to load the document. Till the time it is loading, yes, you are able to see over here the Google Sheets will be automatically opening. So yes, this is the first way of opening the Google Sheets. Directly type sheets.google.com and this particular page will get open in front of you. You require to click on the plus sign. Your Google Sheets will automatically open. Coming back to the presentation, Google Drive. Click New Google Sheets and create from scratch or from a template. So this is the Google Drive that I'm having. Over here, you are able to see New. When I'm clicking on New, a drop down box will be coming. And in that particular drop down box, I will be able to see Google Sheets. So this is the second way of finding out Google Sheets. Back to the presentation, most popular page in the upper right corner. Click the app that is 9 dots called as Google Apps. Over there, you will be able to see the sheets. So I'm coming to the mail. When I'm coming to the mail and the extreme right hand side, you will be able to see 9 dots. You will be able to see a sheets. When I'm clicking on the sheet, a new sheet will be opening and I require to give a name to that particular sheet. Remember, as soon as the Google Sheets will be opening, you will be able to see templates as what we require to create a blank, attendance, grade book, to-do list, calendar, and so on. So I require to create a blank document. So I'm creating a blank document. I clicked on the blank document. It will take few moments in order to open this particular thing. Now, when this thing opens, you will be able to see untitled document. So the first and the most important thing is that we require to give a name to that particular sheet so that in future with the help of name, we will be able to identify the sheet. So clicking on the untitled sheet, you will be able to give a name to the untitled spreadsheet present over here. And it is a good practice to give a name and to remember the name so that in future you will be able, if you want the sheet, you will be able to access the sheet with the help of its name. I'm giving the name as Google Sheet or my first spreadsheet. My first spreadsheet. My first spreadsheet. And just click anywhere in the sheet, it will be renamed and you will be able to see an option called as saving.